Exposing the secret to easy Minecraft mods, no more headaches. Fabric 1, 21.7 is your ticket to a whole new world of gameplay. Let's make installing it a breeze. First, make sure you've launched Minecraft 1, 21.7 at least once, then close it. Next, grab the Fabric installer from fabricmc.net. Choose the Windows or Universal version based on your computer. Got Java installed? Perfect. Double-click the installer, select Client, pick Minecraft version 1.2, 1.7, and check Create Profile. Hit Install. You'll get a success message. Nice. Now open your Minecraft launcher. Look for the Fabric-Loader-1.21. 7 Profile. Can't spot it? Check under Installations and make sure Modded is on. Next, open your Minecraft folder and find or create a mods folder. Download the Fabric API and any mods for version 1.21.7, then toss those files into your mods folder. Return to Minecraft, pick the Fabric profile, and press play. Congrats! Mods unlocked!